In front of me is OPPO Pad Neo, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down. When you're ready, tap on Additional Settings. Then select Keyboard and Input Method. Click on Manage Keyboards and Gboard. Lastly, select Text Correction. As you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!